Osmo Pocket Auto Media Transfer. After the camera is connected to DJI Mimo, it can automatically transfer captured footage to your mobile device when powered off, making it easy to edit and share footage at any time. Go to the Control Center and open Auto Media Transfer. Tap Device to enter the pairing page and stay on this page. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device. Run the app. Tap the camera icon and then tap Pair. Select the device and follow the on-screen instructions for pairing. When pairing is complete, you can configure the footage type, file time range, and reserved space on your mobile device. After the camera powers off, eligible footage will be automatically transferred to your mobile device. Keep Bluetooth turned on during the transfer. The app will display the transfer progress and device connection status in the floating window.